I would like to ask the couples, okay? All the ladies, sit here please, and all the men, sit here. Let the fun begin. So, I will collect your papers now. And Sister Valo, can you bring the gift, please? That's all it's a gift.
You know, I don't go through there anyway, so they like they knew.
Alright, the game mode is how well do you know your partner? Okay? So, let me tell you the couples we have here. And so from we have the couple of, they're all 80s, but let me go by my first name. Pat, I'm sorry, but yeah, Pat and Lucy. Applaudissez s'il vous plaît. And we have family Jadian and Elizabeth, Pastor Wagner, and Pastor Samuel Eddy and Madame France Eddy. We'll start from the beginning. We have a couple, Patrick and Lucy. Let's see what we have. Let me ask. I'm going to ask Lucy my question. Okay, can you tell me what kind of music Patrick listens to the most?
Listens to gospel the most.
She said gospel, but to Patrick, he likes all kind of music. He listens to all kind of music, so no points for this couple. Ask Patrick this question about Lucy. I mean, he says all kind of music. That's what he says. It's not me. I'm just repeating what he said.
All right, this question is very interesting. Brother Patrick, what is the most romantic thing your partner ever did for you, brother?
Wow. Wow, I don't think it's R-rated. I cannot say it here. I think I'll pass. Well, she actually one time and she purchased flowers and I don't want to be too explicit on that one here. Yeah, just flowers. Yeah, I'll say flowers.
What he has to say, Jeremiah was born.
Oh, what have I done for Lucy?
That's the question.
Oh, okay, all right. That's the reverse. All right. What have I done for Lucy that has been flowers?
That is not the right answer.
I'm trying to remember. I've done so many things, you know. Yeah. I mean, so I'll say flowers.
What do you say what Lucy says?
Lucy said the most beautiful thing Brother Pat ever done for her. Ho ho. Bring the breakfast in bed.
Okay.
Yeah, you can just do that.
Does Pastor Wagner has a song? And if so, what kind of song? Does he have a favorite song? Like when the song sing, oh my God, this is my song, you know? Whenever he wake up, that's the song he's singing. He goes to bed, probably, he's singing that song. You mad at him, he's singing the song.
Why do you have to
One of his favorite, he has many of them. There is a name.
His favorite.
No, because I mean, okay, is it like type of songs or the title of the song?
The song.
Loving you.
His favorite song is Here I am to worship. Here I am to
That's his favorite song.
Alright, so far no couples really want anything. Let's see what do you have?
His favorite song is
Let's get Pastor Simon. All right. Pastor what? What elementary school? If I'm not in RTO, si on te réveille, on parle de ça. Et puis on commence à m'aborder. What elementary school did your partner go?
Attend.
Pastor Jérôme l'école.
The question is what elementary school? Pastor Jérôme l'école. The bad name. Let's be clear now.
Don't be too defensive. Let me repeat the question again.